Good day, everyone. My name is Luis Gandara. I am the developer for Gtrendspot and Gtrend Futures for Gunbot. Now, in this video, I will explain how to get the most profits out of Gtrendspot, how you can use it for scalping or for larger time frame swing trading, and how you can maximize your profits by using this strategy and preserving your capital. Now, Gtrendspot, you can use it as a scalping strategy. As an example right here, we will, in this example, right here, Gtrendspot, the only two settings you need to set when using it automatically, it's the max investment for this pair, which, for example, in this video, we will use $10,000. So allocate it just for this pair, and we will set the bullets to 60. Now, when the bullets and the max investment settings are set, which are the only two you will need to change. I also have another video where it explains all the values that you can change in addition, because you can also select your minimum gain to use, as this will increase your ROI for every trade that you take. You can always increase it or decrease it above or below the break-even price. So in this example, for example, we're using 60 bullets and $10,000 allocated for this pair. This means that, for example, Gtrend will be using, if we're using 60 bullets, which is right here, we will be using the 5-minute time frame. Now, when you do that, if you want to visualize exactly where it's gonna buy, you can access my Telegram channel, and you can get free access to my TradingView script. And here you will be able to see exactly where it would buy. So for example, right here, these are the settings you want to use, which is the ATR period for 1 and the ATR multiplier, set it to 0, as well to take the wicks into account. You want that off. Now, right here, this shows you exactly where Gtrend will buy and sell. Here in Gtrend has a dump module which will prevent from us buying on the dumps. For example, this dump, we didn't buy anything. Hit dump, here we buy, we sell. Also here we continue to scalp this market. And here's Gunbot doing that. For example, here it bought. It didn't buy anything at the dump. We started again scalping this market. We buy, we sell, we buy, we sell, we buy, we sell. Now this is if you want to use it as with scalping mode, you would say. So for that, you would set the 60 bullets, which will utilize the 5-minute time frame. Now Gtrend automatically sets your trading limit, your periods, everything's automatic. 60, it means it's gonna DCA a maximum of 60 times before you run out of bullets or dollar cost average entries. Now, for example, let's say you don't want it to scalp that often and you want to take bigger trades with better trends. So let's go ahead and use another example. Let's say this time we want to use 16 bullets. So you go ahead and use 16 bullets. This means Gtrend, it's going to use the daily time frame. 16, so we set to 16. And we go ahead and save. We're still using $10,000 allocated max investment for this pair. We go ahead and save it. Now, since we set the value to 16 bullets, this means Gtrend is going to be using the daily time frame. So we can go to trading view, and if you want to visualize exactly where Gtrend it's going to be buying and selling, you set that value to daily on the Gtrend script, and right here you will be able to visualize exactly where we will be scalping. So for example, here we got a buy signal. This means Gtrend it's gonna scalp the entire uptrend. Once we get a sell signal, it will stop scalping. Once we get a buy signal, we'll start scalping again. We scalp the entire uptrend. Then the sell signal, it stops. The buy signal, it will continue to scalp the entire uptrend. These, keep in mind, these are daily candles. So this means here we will, for example, right here, this pump. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 candles. 5 days in a row, we will scalp the entire uptrend. And right here, it gives us a sell signal, which will stop scalping. So not until the next buy signal, we will start scalping again. Now, for example, here, right now, Gtrend gave us a sell signal. This means it's gonna the dump module is gonna stop buying. So right here, let's say the market continues to dump for another 5 candles, another 5 days. We will not buy anymore for 5 days. Now that's good because keep in mind, we're gonna save a lot of wallet that's not gonna be used in a dump. So this Gtrend does a really good job with the dump module to prevent you from utilizing some of your wallets and being spent while it's dumping, because we never know where the market's gonna go. Now who knows? Maybe it might give us a buy signal and continue to push up. We will start scalping again. If it dumps for 5 days, or not even 5 days, let's say if it decides to dump hard down to for like another week or more, Gtrend will not buy and will preserve your capital so that next time we get a buy signal, we start buying again. Now, let's say you're more of a larger swing trader. Let's say you want to use the weekly chart. So let's say you go to Gtrend Trading View, and let's say right here, this is the weekly time frame. You will see all the candles are each one representing a 7-day time frame or a week each candle. You also want to set that if you want to do the weekly, this means you would need to set 1 to 10 bullets for the weekly. This means it will only DCA 10 times maximum, or depending on the bullets that you set. Let's say you set it for 5 times. You set it for 5 times. This means it's maximum. It's going to DCA a maximum of 5 times, and our max investment for this pair it's still $10,000. So Gtrend automatically will set your trading limit. This means that Gtrend will set a trading limit of $2,000 each, because since we only wanted to DCA 5 times, this means inside the $10,000 divided by 5, it will give us $2,000 for each trade. So this means that all trades are gonna be making us a lot more money. Now, let's say for example here with Dodge, once Gtrend gets a buy signal, this means we're gonna scalp with $2,000 the entire uptrend. Now, keep in mind, for example, let's say Gtrend bought here, we stopped buying here, Gtrend bought again, we scalped the entire uptrend, we sold, we scalped, we sold, we didn't buy here. When we sell, Gtrend has a smart dump module which attempts to prevent you from re-entering in the incorrect position. So this means Gtrend will do its best to save and preserve your capital and get the best entries. So for example, in this example, if we're doing the weekly, this entire pump, let's say we DCA'd 2 or 3 times here without selling. So this means we would have been with a bag of 3 DCAs, and the entire uptrend we would have sold up until here. So this gives us a nice, the first signal happened here at 0.11, and the sell signal happened at 0.39. This means this is almost a 3x to 4x gain, which would have been some really nice profits. So this is the way Gtrend can be utilized. These are some of the best ways for us to get the most profits out of the market. So thank you. This is Luis Gandara, and have a good day and happy trading. If any questions, keep in mind you guys can always join my Telegram channel for free, and you can also get access to this trading view script for free. And when you purchase Gtrendspot or futures, you get lifetime help. If there's something that you need to say it, or you have an idea, or you want to trade differently, we can always see what we can do to bring the most profits out of the market. Thank you.